Hi, kids! Welcome to L.E. Earn Pop! Let's learn numbers together. Today we will learn numbers. Numbers are fun. This is number 1. 1 ball. This is number 2. 2 ducks. This is number 3. 3 cars. This is number 4. 4 bones. Number 5. 5 balloons. Number 6. 6 apples. Number 7. 7 stars. Number 8. Whoa! 8 fish. Number 9. 9 blocks. Number 10. 10. Great job learning numbers. You did amazing. Thank you for watching LRN POP. Like, follow, and see you next time.